front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening settings and scrolling down to hit password and security. Now click on face unlock, but before that, quick disclaimer. To continue, you absolutely need to have screen lock. Without it, you won't be able to add face data. So if you don't have it, set it up here and then click on face unlock. Enter your current screen lock. Hit start recording. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then make sure this switcher next to unlock screen lock is green, because without it you won't be able to unlock your phone using face recognition. Adjust all of those options however you want to and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!